Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be creating this dead easy summer makeup glam tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the Helen E Stage Eyeshadow Prime and Base. I'm just going to apply this on a Makeup Addiction Cosmetics paddle brush, and I'm not going to set this prime and base like usual, so I'm just going to keep on working it into my eyelids, blending it in and buffing it in and taking off the excess product, and then it will eventually set itself. So the first eyeshadow palette I'm going to take, and the only eyeshadow palette I'm going to take for this eyeshadow look, is the NYX Brights palette. So I'm going to take a mixture of these two top shades at the top, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to start off by taking both of them shades and I'm just going to pack it all on my eyelids. I was taking them two shades because one was too pink and then one was too coral, so the two of them together was the perfect match and the perfect colour. So then I'm going to blend that out using just like the corally shade. So I'm using a wee MAC brush to just blend that out. So I am first off just blending just within my crease with that coral colour, and then eventually I will work my way up into the brow bone because I didn't set that eyeshadow base. Keep in mind it's still tacky, so I don't want to go straight in to like the brow bone area in case it goes a wee bit patchy or anything. So then I'm just going to go in and repeat the first process just by packing on both of them shades again, just onto my eyelid, and again grabbing that MAC blending brush and just blending the shades out again. Just making sure there's no harsh lines and it just looks very buffed out and seamless. Then I'm just going to grab this Kiko Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade number 19, and I'm just going to grab a Kylie Cosmetics blender brush. This is a double-ended brush, so I'm just going to use the smaller packing side, and I'm just going to pack this shadow just into my inner corner. Then going back into the NYX palette again, I'm just going to grab the pink shade and I'm just going to blend that on my lower lash line. And then taking this yellow shade, and this has like a bit of a shimmer through it, so I just top that into my inner corner. Then grabbing the worst white eyeliner I have ever used in my life, I'm just going to do a wing, and this was absolutely awful. It cracked, it was lumpy. I had to repeat the process about 500 times maybe, or maybe it was 600. I don't know, I lost count anyway. It was absolutely ridiculous. I think in the next clip I do zoom in to show you how bad it actually looks. So this was with a couple of coats, and I do know that I keep in mind that there is shadow underneath it, so that might be a wee bit why it's going like that, but a liquid liner shouldn't necessarily be like that if you have to keep on repeating the process and building it up. But eventually I did get there, but up close it did look an absolute mess, but what can you do? So now time for lashes. I'm just going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and then the Dolly May false eyelashes in this style Fairy Lash. And these lashes were quite hard to apply because I have used them before, so there was a bit of glue on them, and because I had white liner on, I didn't want to obviously hide the liner because of the lashes, so it was just a wee bit of a struggle. So jumping straight into lips, I'm using the W7 lip pencil, and this is in the shade Pink. And then for liquid lipstick, I decided to go for something really bright and out of my comfort zone. Yeah, totally. So I just went for this LA Girl matte liquid lipstick. I have no idea what it's called, but I will link it down below. I just thought this was such a fun lip colour to pair with this eye for just something really fun and bubbly and summery. Then to set all the makeup in place and just refresh my skin again, I'm just going to go in with the Gerard Cosmetics makeup setting spray, and this is in the scent Watermelon. It smells absolutely gorgeous, especially for this time of year, and I'm just kind of patting down my face because I don't like my face being wet. So everyone, this is the finished makeup tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed this short and sweet video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!